How to erase iPhone in lost mode. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Find My application on your phone. The Find My app is a powerful tool that helps locate lost or misplaced Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, Macs, AirPods, AirTags, and even allows users to share their location with friends and family. It combines the functionality of the former Find My iPhone and Find My Friends apps into one integrated experience. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Devices. Over here, you can view all the devices that are added. Tap on your iPhone from here. Then, scroll down and tap on Erase this device. You have now successfully erased your iPhone from this app. Following these steps, you can easily erase iPhone in lost mode. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.